Assalamualaikum, this is Rohi from Rafplay, and today I'm here to show you one of the largest collection of the Coco Harley Scooters that we have in the UAE. So guys, I'm here with this entire range of collection which you will find only at www.rafplay.com. When we speak about the 3000 watts trendy Harley scooter that we have on Rafplay, so this is basically a 3000 watts motor power which is super speedy. The speed of which can go up to 75 to 85 kilometers per hour. It comes with these lithium removable batteries. Let me show you how to remove the batteries. You would just have to remove the plug and then remove the battery. It's so easy and so lightweight to carry as well. It has two battery sections, one which is over here and the other one which is inside the footboard. So this, guys, is one of the most popular ones. You can charge the battery, as explained in my last episode, that you can charge the battery just like a mobile. The mileage can go between 30 to 35 kilometers per charge. And if you add another battery, guys, you can actually take the mileage up to 70 kilometers per charge. So as you can see, guys, they all have amazing shocks. The sizes of both of these is exactly the same. The tire size also is exactly the same. Both of these are about 18-inch of fat tires. Amazing off-roading tires. You can drive them on all sorts of off-roading terrains. This is the second most